What's up guys, today's video is more of a beginner tutorial and I'm going to show you how to install and use my free asset pack on Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get to it. So you guys ask me a lot about installing actions, using mockups, installing fonts. So today I'm going to cover all of these things. So the first things I'm going to start with is actually fonts. So I'm just gonna open up one of the fonts that I have, for example this one. So as you can see on my Telegram channel, I have lots of different assets, but the ones that are the fonts are the one with OTF or TTF formats, and sometimes they are just zip files because, for example, we have 300 fonts here, so you just have to unzip this file and you can see TTF and OTF files that you can install on your computer or your mobile phones. So when you open it up, doesn't matter which format it is, simply if you're on Windows you can just right click on it and click on install, I guess, and on Mac you can just double click on it. Here you can just click on install. I have already installed this font, but you can simply just click install and you're good to go. That's easy as that. Also on the mobile phones, so on the mobile phone, what you need to do is to just click on one of the fonts and click on the arrow on the bottom left and just swipe up and save it to the file and choose a destination you want to save your font. I'm choosing on my phone. And after that, what you need to do is to just open up CapCut. I have this video that I created a while ago, a time lapse of this deer. So just choose wherever you want to add your text and simply hit text on the bottom of the application and add text and just write whatever you want to write. I'm here in photo manipulation, and after that go to the fonts and wait a bit, and then you can see there is this add font here on the left side of the English. You can just click on that and you can simply add your font. Now you can see the Gregorian font is being added. Also for the mockups, so I also have different mockups on the page, like this t-shirt and a sleeveless, sometimes like these text effects. So for the mockups, this is super easy. On the right side of your panels that you have your layers, you can see there are different types of things. So you just open up the t-shirt, you can see you have adjustment textures, and you have this design, and on this design, if I just open it up, it says replace me. And here you can do different things. You can just simply toggle this layer off, and I don't know, for example, let me just add an image here. So this is my latest vector pack that I've been working on for the past 5 months. You can get it on my Patreon, the link is in the description. And I'm going to choose, I don't know, I'm just not gonna take a lot of time. I'm just going to add this image. So as you can see, I have copy and paste this asset on this mockup here, and I'm just going to bring it down to the design. So now as you can see, these adjustments and textures is affecting my design, and I can just simply make it bigger or smaller. Or one better thing that you can do is to just toggle on this layer again and double click on here and just paste your design here and delete the other one and just hit Command S and it will save it, and just go back to the t-shirt mockup that you had, and you can see it is simply added to the placeholder. So this is easy as that. And then you can just come down here for the t-shirt color and just double click on it, and you can simply just change the color of t-shirt and do whatever you want to do. Easy as that. Also for this one, as you can see, this is another mockup. You can just simply again open up this one, and as you can see, this is wet, dry. You can just simply click on one of these and simply I don't know, change this one, or again you can just delete that, add another image. Let me see what I should add. For example, I'm using this pistol here. You can just, you know, fix it and just save it, and it will just save and just go back to it. And as you can see, it is affecting all the layers. This is also for the mockups. So let's jump to actions. So what you need to do first is that if you do not see the action tab here, simply just go to the Windows and click on this action here. And after that, we are going to import the action. For example, this one, the grunge text machine that I have is an ATN file. So if you just download it and unzip it, you can see that it is an ATN file like this. And what you need to do is to just, you know, click on this menu here on your action tab and just hit load actions, and you need to locate your actions. So mine is just in my text effect here and grunge machine, and you just need to find your ATM file that is standing for action and just opening. Now I'm having that one, so let me just find my grunge machine. Here is my grunge machine. And for actions, you need to sometimes just follow some instructions in the files. For example, for grunge machine, I'm writing, I don't know, maybe hello. And here, what you need to do for this action is to just, you gotta make sure that your typography color is set to white before starting your action. And you need to just change the font here. Okay, that is good. And make sure that the color of the text is just white, and simply just open up this folder and click on this grunge machine. And as you can see, if you just open this up, you can see the actions that is going to do on your layer. So I'm just gonna hit start, and it says I have to just, you know, choose a texture. So I'm just going back to the folder that I had, and there is this grunge map textures, and I'm going to choose, for example, this one. Wait, and as you can see, it is affecting my layer here, and I can simply, you know, double click on crystallize to just make this bigger, as you can see here, or smaller, or I can just simply hit my Gaussian blur, bring it down, for example, to get more details here, and then click on threshold to just, you know, make it fade away or make it even bigger and bulkier. And from here, when you want to just, you know, change the color, you can just simply double click on the group and just go to the color overlay and just set whatever color you're looking for. So that's it for today. I tried to cover all the different assets that I have on my Telegram channel for you to install and use easily. So if you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and till the next video, hope you find peace.